Have you ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom? In today's video, we're diving into the journey from zero to wealth with 9 essential personal finance tips. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your financial strategies, these insights will empower you to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. So grab a pen and paper, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey to financial success. Stay tuned to Savvy Savers Channel. Learn how you can turn your dreams of wealth into reality. Number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of effective financial management. Start by calculating your monthly income from all sources, including salaries, side hustles, and any passive income streams. Next, list all your expenses, categorizing them into fixed, such as rent or mortgage, utilities and loan payments, and variable like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Be thorough and include all expenses, no matter how small. Once you've tallied your income and expenses, compare the two to see if you're spending within your means or if adjustments are needed. Setting realistic spending limits for each category can help you prioritize your financial goals and avoid overspending. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to track your expenses and monitor your progress. Remember to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed to reflect changes in your income or expenses. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and commitment. Avoid impulse purchases and be mindful of your spending habits. Number 2. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a crucial aspect of financial preparedness that provides a safety net during unexpected circumstances. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and other essential bills. Start small by setting aside a portion of each paycheck specifically for your emergency fund. Automate your savings if possible, directing a fixed amount into a separate savings account dedicated solely to emergencies. Consider keeping this fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access while still earning some interest. Avoid the temptation to dip into your emergency fund for non-urgent expenses. Remember, its primary purpose is to protect you from financial hardship during unforeseen events like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. Number 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is a critical step toward achieving financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances or payday loans, can quickly accumulate and become a significant burden on your finances. Start by making a list of all your debts, noting the interest rates and balances for each. Develop a repayment strategy, focusing on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on other debts. Stay disciplined and committed to your debt repayment plan, allocating any extra funds, such as bonuses or tax refunds, toward paying down your debt. Number 4. Invest in yourself. One of the most valuable investments you can make is in yourself. Whether it's acquiring new skills through education or training, improving your health and well-being, or nurturing your passions and hobbies, investing in yourself can lead to greater earning potential and personal fulfillment. Continuous learning and self-improvement not only enrich your life, but also enhance your professional prospects and income-earning potential. By investing time and resources in your personal growth and development, you're laying the foundation for a more fulfilling and prosperous future. Number 5. Start investing early. Time is your most valuable asset when it comes to investing. The power of compounding allows your money to grow exponentially over time, so the earlier you start investing, the better. Take advantage of retirement accounts and consider diversifying your investments across stocks, bonds, and other asset classes to minimize risk. Even small contributions made early in your career can grow into substantial sums over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. By starting to invest early and consistently, you'll harness the power of time to build wealth and secure your financial future. Number 6. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of sound financial management that involves spending less money than you earn. While it may seem challenging in a culture that often encourages excessive spending and consumerism, adopting a frugal lifestyle can lead to greater financial stability and security in the long run. Start by evaluating your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. This might involve finding cheaper alternatives for everyday expenses, reducing discretionary spending on non-essential items, and avoiding lifestyle inflation that comes with increases in income. living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself of enjoyment or happiness. Rather, it's about making intentional choices that align with your financial goals and values. Number 7. Plan for the future. Retirement may seem like a distant prospect, but the sooner you start planning for it, the better off you'll be. Calculate how much you'll need to retire comfortably and set savings goals accordingly. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and consider supplementing with individual retirement accounts. By saving and investing consistently for retirement, you'll build a nest egg that provides financial security and peace of mind in your golden years. Start planning for retirement today to ensure a comfortable and fulfilling future tomorrow. Number 8. Protect your assets. Building wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's also about protecting what you have. Make sure you have adequate insurance coverage to safeguard your assets against unforeseen events such as accidents, illnesses, or natural disasters. Consider policies such as health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance to mitigate risks and ensure financial security for you and your loved ones. By protecting your assets with the right insurance coverage, you'll shield yourself from financial devastation in the event of unexpected setbacks and maintain your long-term financial well-being. Number 9. Seek professional advice when needed. While there's a wealth of information available online and in books about personal finance, navigating complex financial matters can be daunting. Don't hesitate to seek advice from qualified professionals such as financial planners, accountants, or estate planning attorneys when needed. A knowledgeable advisor can help you develop a personalized financial plan tailored to your goals and circumstances. Whether you're planning for retirement, managing investments, or navigating tax implications, seeking professional advice can provide valuable insights and peace of mind. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when it comes to your financial future. As we conclude our journey from zero to wealth, remember that financial success is within your reach. By implementing these 9 personal finance tips, you're taking the first steps towards a brighter financial future. But the journey doesn't end here. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for your goals. Together, we can turn aspirations into achievements and dreams into reality. Thank you for joining Savvy Savers Channel on this empowering journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Savvy Savers Channel for more valuable content. Hey everyone! Want to ditch financial stress and design your dream life? Then the Ultimate Wealth Workbook is for you. This isn't just a book, it's your personal finance coach. Through fun exercises and actionable plans, you'll gain clarity and build a roadmap to financial freedom. From budgeting to investing, it's got you covered. Grab your copy and turn your money goals into reality. Your rich life awaits.